Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the aspect ratio of your videos or photos on CapCut PC. So for instance, you want to add this to the timeline and you want to change the aspect ratio. You're just going to simply select the ratio down here and you can select from like 4:3 to 0.35 by 1, 2 by 1, and you'll have like these other options. This is the one that they use for YouTube, like the ratio. This one's for TikTok usually, and this one's for Instagram. So make sure you recognize these frame ratios. And yeah, that is basically it. You can even like zoom into it. For instance, you want to create an Instagram video and stuff like that. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!